Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be showing you old cars and tractors. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so when we upload a video you will not miss out. Now let's get right down to the video.
Wow. Right?
Here is the first tractor. And you can pull back the seat, then there's another seat, and then you have to control these things with them. Here's the second. The third. And here's the big finale, the fourth one. And this is the inside. And if you guys like the video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe and hit the bell so you can see more videos like this. Now see you in the next video.